How is DeepSeek different than other AI apps? DeepSeek is an open-source large language model that relies on what is known as inference time computing, which said in layman's terms means they activate only the most relevant portions of their model for each query, and that saves money and computation power. Some experts praised DeepSeek's performance, with noted tech investor Mark Andreessen writing on X on January 24, DeepSeek R1 is one of the most amazing and impressive breakthroughs I've ever seen, and as open source, a profound gift to the world. David Sachs, a venture capitalist named by Mr. Trump to help oversee AI and cryptocurrency policy, said on social media Monday that DeepSeek's app shows that the AI race will be very competitive. However, Ives said he's skeptical the service will gain ground with major US businesses. No US Global 2000 is going to use a Chinese startup DeepSeek to launch their AI infrastructure and use cases, Ives wrote. At the end of the day, there is only one chip company in the world launching autonomous, robotics, and broader AI use cases, and that is NVIDIA. What is NVIDIA saying about DeepSeek? In a statement to CBS News, NVIDIA offered praise for DeepSeek. DeepSeek is an excellent AI advancement and a perfect example of test time scaling, the company said in an email. DeepSeek's work illustrates how new models can be created using that technique, leveraging widely available models and compute that is fully export control compliant. But, NVIDIA added, AI inference, or using AI models to make decisions or predictions, requires significant numbers of NVIDIA GPUs and high-performance networking. We now have 3 scaling laws: pre-training and post-training, which continue, and new test time scaling.